Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be discussing about what will be the salary for a software engineer in United States. There are various roles as a software engineer. It could be a full stack developer, it could be a front end developer, Java developer, back end developer, web developer, Python, JavaScript, Android, C++. You name any of these roles, everything will come under a software engineering role. Maybe their skills will be different, the way they operate will be different, but everybody will be considered under one umbrella as a software engineer. Let us understand what is the overall salary for a software engineer over the period. So if we consider as a fresher software engineer, the fresher experience can be from 0 to 3 years of experience. You would be getting around $26 per hour, and per annum you would be getting around 55k per annum. If we consider a junior level role, the experience of 3 to 5 years of experience, then his chargeability is around $33 per hour and per annum, which is 70k per annum. Then in the mid-level range with 5 to 8 years of experience, you would be charging around $44 per hour and per annum is 90k dollars. Senior level role with the experience of 8 to 12 years of experience, anywhere you will be charged around $55 per hour and per annum, which is 130k per annum. At the top level roles, which is 12 years to 20 years of experience, which he brings almost $75 per hour. Salary for his annum is 155k, plus you will also be entitled to get additional benefits. Could be a dental benefits, insurance benefits, then retirement benefits, and so on. I am hoping this video was very useful for you guys. If you guys really like this video, then please click on like button, and if you guys are not subscribed, then do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.